Y'all like my passion twists? I think they came out super cute, and you know, I use this hair. I use Lulu Twist Water Wave. This will be my 5th pack, and I think it will do this whole section because it took me a whole section to do this. It took me a whole pack to do this section, so I'm thinking it should do one more pack for this section. And yeah, on the back, I actually use like a different, hold on, can y'all see? It's not really, I think it was called Loose Deep Hair in the back. But once I use this hair, this this wave, I was like, yes, I think I'll go with this. So put some moisturizer in it, and then I'm using some edge controls. This is in the front of my head. Oh, I forgot, I braided it. Then I just separate it. And then you see how I just braided it. I just added to it. And this part here, you can also use like a crochet needle to crochet the hair through, and start twisting it instead of braiding first and then twisting. There's a piece in the back that I really need to redo. I didn't notice it until I finished braiding my hair, but I did correct it. So and then, as you can see, you can't even tell I braided my hair. And you do that for all the sections. Then basically that's the twist. Super cute. Usually I do 1.5, but since this was a small section, I didn't want it to be too heavy on my braids. So basically that's it. I'll show you how to do another one. So basically I braided it. Nothing too tight, you know, just braid it. And then I start out with a braid first. So like I was saying before, it would be easier if you just crochet it in and then do the twist instead of doing all that whatever I was doing. I just didn't feel like looking for the crochet needles, so I just did it, you know, the way I was doing it in the video. But yeah, it did lasted a little bit longer than 2 weeks, so you guys should definitely give this a try. And also, whenever you twisting, you don't have to twist tight because it's gonna take the shape of the wave basically. As long as you twist it, it will look nice. If you twist too tight, the hair is gonna look a little bit shorter because I noticed that in the front. So beware. The reason why I chose to do it like this was because the last time that I tried to do my hair like that, like I tried the rubber band method, and my hair turned frizzy after like a week that I had it done. So I didn't like that. So I figured if I do it like this, maybe it won't get frizzy. Then I just use some of my mousse to put it all over my hair. Then I just use some freeze spray. And then that's it. Give you a look at the back. I think I will have to cut the ends, but yeah, basically that's the look. My room is a mess because this took me a whole day to do. I'll let you guys know if it lasts longer than 2 weeks, because last time when I had it, it lasted 2 weeks. Hopefully by me putting the free spray, it will, you know, it will stay in place. But yeah, that's it. The other side. So thank you guys for watching. And I want you guys to request more videos because sometimes I'll be running out of ideas. So it would be nice if you request some videos down below. And don't forget to subscribe. Peace.